Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to your shadowing English speaking practice. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tara, and I'm honestly so happy you're here today. Because today is a little bit special. We're starting something new together. We're beginning our 5-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge. And you know what? So many of you have been asking for this. You've said, Tara, can we have something structured, something we can follow step by step? So, here it is. For the next 5 days, we're going to train together. Not rush, not compete, just train. And I want to say something before we even begin. Please don't compare yourself to anyone. Fluency doesn't come from comparison. Your journey is yours. Some learners improve quickly. Some need more time. Some feel confident early. Some take longer. And all of that is normal. In these 5 days, we will cover confidence, thinking in English, idioms, workplace English, and daily life conversations. Remember, this 5-day challenge is not about becoming fluent in 5 days. It's about building consistency. It's about showing up, because as I always say, 5 minutes daily is better than 1 hour once a week. Daily practice builds momentum, and momentum builds confidence. So today we start with the most important foundation, confidence. Not vocabulary, not grammar, but confidence. All right. Awesome. So here's what I want you to do. Follow the subtitles on the screen. Listen carefully. Pay attention to the rhythm. And please, please, please speak with me. Not in your head, but speak out loud. And please, don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are welcome here. If you make mistakes, that means you're trying. And trying is how you improve. Just listening to English videos won't change your speaking. You have to use your voice. You have to practice. This is your English speaking gym. First, listen. Then repeat after me. Each sentence will be repeated 3 times. Follow the highlighted words on the screen. They are there to guide you. All right. Amazing. Now take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And let's begin day 1. I am ready to improve my English. I am ready to improve my English. I am ready to improve my English. Amazing. I speak even if I feel nervous. I speak even if I feel nervous. I speak even if I feel nervous. Great. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Amazing! Every mistake helps me grow. Every mistake helps me grow. Every mistake helps me grow. Excellent. You're doing great. I am building confidence every day. I am building confidence every day. I am building confidence every day. Nice. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. My voice deserves to be heard. Great! Let's continue. I am learning to speak clearly. I am learning to speak clearly. I am learning to speak clearly. Nice! I trust my ability to improve. I trust my ability to improve. I trust my ability to improve. Excellent. Let's continue. I speak slowly and confidently. I speak slowly and confidently. I speak slowly and confidently. Nice. Don't be shy. Speak with me. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. Wonderful. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my effort. Great. I practice even on busy days. I practice even on busy days. I practice even on busy days. You're doing so well. Let's continue. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. I am becoming more comfortable speaking English. Brilliant! I am not comparing myself to others. I am not comparing myself to others. I am not comparing myself to others. Excellent. I focus on my own progress. I focus on my own progress. I focus on my own progress. Great pronunciation. I speak without overthinking. I speak without overthinking. I speak without overthinking. Excellent. I allow myself to learn naturally. I allow myself to learn naturally. I allow myself to learn naturally. Nice. Speak out loud. I am stronger than my doubts. I am stronger than my doubts. I am stronger than my doubts. Amazing. I speak even when I feel unsure. I speak even when I feel unsure. I speak even when I feel unsure. Awesome. Don't give up. I am improving step by step. I am improving step by step. I am improving step by step. Brilliant. I am building a strong habit. I am building a strong habit. I am building a strong habit. Lovely. Don't give up. I show up for myself every day. I show up for myself every day. I show up for myself every day. Excellent. I am creating a better future. I am creating a better future. I am creating a better future. Nice. I speak with calm energy. I speak with calm energy. I speak with calm energy. You're doing so well. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. I believe in my progress. Awesome. I am becoming a confident speaker. I am becoming a confident speaker. I am becoming a confident speaker. Lovely. Almost at the finish line. I am training my speaking muscles. I am training my speaking muscles. I am training my speaking muscles. Great. I am consistent with my practice. I am consistent with my practice. I am consistent with my practice. Awesome. You're doing so well. I am moving forward every day. I am moving forward every day. I am moving forward every day. I am proud that I showed up today. I am proud that I showed up today. I am proud that I showed up today. Wow! Day 1 is complete. Well done, everyone. Take a second and just let that sink in. If you actually spoke with me today, not just listened but really used your voice, then you did something important. And I truly mean that. Because most learners stop at listening. They understand everything, they nod along, but they don't speak. But you did. And that's the difference. Confidence doesn't suddenly appear one morning. It's not magic. It's built slowly, sentence by sentence, day by day. And today, you laid the first brick. That matters. And remember, this challenge isn't about being fast. It's not about sounding perfect. It's about being consistent. 5 minutes a day, that's all. Small effort, repeated daily. That's where real change happens. So if you completed today's practice, go ahead and comment day 1 done below. Not for me, but for you. It's your way of saying, I showed up, I started, I'm serious about this. And that decision, that small act of showing up, is powerful. Tomorrow we move into day 2, think in English. And that's where things start shifting in your brain in a really exciting way. So rest your voice, be proud of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. This is Tara, and you're doing better than you think.